What is up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone that watched my video. Mother shut up!
We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today, your boy picked up some strut bars, the most useless mod for a daily driving car. I know, right? To be honest, I only picked up the front one. The rear one was given to me. So shout out to you, Mr. Tommy Trim. Thank you. The front strut bar I actually picked up from a local person, and it didn't fit my car. Don't believe everything you guys read on the forums, because it said it would fit EM2 Civics, RSX, and EP3s. They lied. So your boy had to get it drilled out. Shout out to Kevin Soul at SFG Auto House. You the man. Thank you. Let me show you guys the strut bar. Yeah. Strut bar. On a side note, please don't mind the sexy ass man right here. Homie is just cleaning his car, getting ready for a dope ass shoot that should be happening after this install. So these are the strut bars. This guy right here is a JDM front strut bar that, like I said, picked up locally. This right here is a SPD Racing. I don't know if you guys can see it. Rear strut bar. In case you guys are wondering, what is a strut bar? Well, let me ask a certified technician over here. Mr. Kevin, what is a strut bar? He's not a tech! It's a fraud! Nah, honestly, he's right. With a strut bar, what it does is it prevents any flexing in the chassis of the vehicle. You're wondering, why does it matter if your car flexes or not? Well, shit, there we go, we're like, yeah. Well, the less flex you get, the more safer your vehicle is, the more you can control it. He concurs. So basically, if you're just daily driving a car, really, strut bars are not really needed. To track, that's when you'll see most of its benefits. And the little Lisa here will be seeing the track next year. Mark my words. Shout out to Ryan, because I flopped mine. Couldn't get brakes in time. Anyways. Hi, Kev.
Bye.
Other Kev.
Bye. I'm the real Kev.
Oh, really now? Really? Woo! Bye, Kev. Let's get back to this install video. Now that we got everything torqued down to spec, check it out. She's looking like a beauty. Strut bar in place. Yeah. Now it's time to get to the second strut bar. So even though we couldn't get the rear strut bar, we got the first one in. It's time to head out for our shoot with the homies Kev and Zane. Let's go meet up with the homies.
Hello, stranger.
Oh, wow! Hi, Kaz.
Hi.
Thank you so much for coming on, man. You're a G.
How does it drive? What? It got you. Yeah.
Ooh, Jesus! Ooh. What the
Yeah, there's a cop there. So I'll go this way.
I'm not even exaggerating.
But driving this out, you have to be happy all the time.
Shit!
Yeah, I keep telling you, man. She's slick. That's what parking a rig. That's like a counting people.
Zane,
Yeah.
I think you should sell your car. Sell it to me.
So it's you.
God damn.
That's crazy.
Yo. This guy's thumbs up at you, yo! Damn!
I can take a right at this light. I must say that.
So first impressions, I gotta say, this guy's car, fast. I don't think I've ever been in a car faster than that right there. So shout out to you, Zane. Thank you for coming out for the photo shoot. Really appreciate it. Loved your car. Remember, if you ever need a son, an Asian son, I'm here for you. Adopt me. Shout out to Kev for taking fire photos. Kev's over there with the legacy. So I guess that would be the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, subscribe. I appreciate the love, guys. Peace out.